Here's everything you need to know before buying ProseCraft, the generative AI software making waves in content creation. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know whether it's worth your investment or if there's a better option for your needs. First, ProseCraft is primarily designed for writers looking to analyze and enhance their craft. It uses AI to break down writing into key metrics like pacing, sentiment, and readability. This is helpful, but it's not the only tool that does this, so the value depends on how much you'll use those specific features. Next thing, while ProseCraft's interface is relatively easy to use, it feels a bit rigid compared to some competitors. It lacks the customization options offered by other AI tools, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for more flexibility in how you analyze or create content. The third thing is the range of supported genres. ProseCraft shines with fiction and creative writing, but it's not as useful for nonfiction or technical writing. If your focus is beyond storytelling, you may find its capabilities limited. Fourth, the AI feedback can sometimes feel generic. While it provides helpful insights, it doesn't dive as deep into nuanced suggestions like some higher-end tools. For example, tools like Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid often give more actionable advice tailored to your writing style. Next thing, pricing. ProseCraft falls in the mid-tier range, which is great for hobbyists, but might not be the best value for professionals who need a wider set of features. Competitors often bundle additional tools like grammar checks or advanced editing, making them more cost-effective overall. Another point to consider is how it handles data. ProseCraft stores and analyzes your content in the cloud, which might raise privacy concerns for some users. Other platforms offer more robust options for local processing or end-to-end encryption. Seventh, ProseCraft struggles with collaborative writing. Unlike some competitors, it lacks features for real-time editing or team feedback. If you're working with others, this could limit its usefulness. The eighth thing is that ProseCraft doesn't integrate as seamlessly with other tools. For example, there's no direct plugin for popular platforms like WordPress or Google Docs. You'll often need to manually copy and paste content, which can slow down your workflow. Next thing, updates. ProseCraft isn't updated as frequently as some competitors. This means it could lag behind in adopting the latest AI innovations, making it feel outdated over time compared to faster-moving alternatives. The 10th thing is community support. ProseCraft has a smaller user base, so finding tutorials, tips, or troubleshooting help online can be challenging. This is in contrast to more widely used software with extensive forums and active communities. Another consideration is output quality. While ProseCraft excels in text analysis, it's less capable when it comes to generating high-quality, ready-to-use content. If you need AI to assist with drafting, you might find better results with tools like Jasper or Writesonic. Finally, ProseCraft's biggest strength is also its weakness. It's hyper-focused on writing metrics. If you're a data-driven writer who loves diving into details, it's fantastic. But for broader creative or professional needs, its narrow focus might leave you wanting more. Overall, ProseCraft can be a solid option, especially if you're a writer who values its analytics. But if you want a more versatile tool that's better suited for both writing and broader business needs, check out our recommended solution. You can try it for free and see the difference for yourself.